Okay guys, we have packages. See, yeah, the packages is so small. I doesn't think about this. This is the weight, yeah. Should be the packages is including this. Okay, and the packages should be big enough because it has a book, those book like this. It looks like a bit small, bigger than this. What? See? Okay, but let's open this. Still full packages from all sides. It's hard to open. Let's open from the open box. This is not the box inside. That's including another box inside. I don't know why. Let's open this. This is for unboxing video. It's smaller box inside again. No, it's not the box. This is the things, I think. See? Still full packages. We open this by peel like this. Oh yes. Okay. This looks like a same, but the weight is why it's too small. Not like in the picture. Where it is still ended. Let's make this here. Let's trying to open this in here. I think it should be system ended in here. I found it. I found the key. Let's open this. Once I think the size of the hard disk is not that small, but I hope it's right things, because I don't know how's the size of the real hard disk. Okay, looks like okay. Okay, let's reopen this. Open like this. Okay, 3 ports. Yeah, we got it. 3 ports. A manual book. Okay. And the hard disk itself. It should be 2 terabytes. Very light. Seagate. This looks like original. 2 terabytes. Great. Yeah. I will check this out. Serial number. And the serial number. Check. Okay, it's already same, I think. Okay. Well, it's good, but I still wait because this box holding Oh, holding like this. Ah, yes, that's good. That's good. I hope the same thing. Well, this unboxing video. Thank you for watching.